India is growing stronger, smarter, and more resilient. From infrastructure to technology, from manufacturing to financial services, India's leading business groups, the conglomerates, are driving this growth. Hi everyone, and welcome to Centrashala. My name is Anjali, and today we'll be talking about Aditya Birla Sun Life Conglomerate Fund (NFO). This NFO opened on 5th December 2024 and will remain open till 19 December 2024. Now let's understand what are conglomerates. Conglomerates are identified as groups that are domiciled in India and are led by promoters. They consist of a minimum of 2 listed companies in different sectors or industries. Now let's understand why should you invest in conglomerates. First, because it has a strong legacy, robust business model, access to capital, diverse line of businesses, strong governance and values, and lastly, potential for high capex spend. Now let's talk about Aditya Birla Sun Conglomerate Fund. Aditya Birla Conglomerate Fund is an open-ended diversified equity scheme following the conglomerate theme. The investment approach includes the fund manager may take large active bets on groups. Second, bottom-up approach for portfolio construction with growth orientation. Third, higher tilt towards mid and small cap companies compared to the benchmark. Fourth, provision to invest up to 10% in listed holding companies to provide long-term value unlocking. Fifth, long-term investment horizon for underlying stocks. Sixth, diversified portfolio. Seventh, exposure to approximately 20 sectors. And lastly, group exposure cap 25%. So this fund is suitable for long-term equity investors with an investment horizon of 3 to 5 years and above. Now let's understand why should you consider Aditya Birla Sun Life Conglomerate Fund. First, it is the industry first and category first fund. It is a diversified fund that invests in top conglomerates in India. Second, limited exposure to banks, PSU and MNCs. The exposure to these sectors would be limited in this fund. Most of the diversified fund have around 20 to 30% exposure to banks and PSU. Third, exposure to holding companies. The fund intends to invest in holdings company to benefit from the value unlocking that happens on listing of businesses. And fourth, active fund management. Active fund manager helps to navigate this journey better. The fund manager insight of the market brings in the ability to enter or switch to rewarding businesses. Not only this, there are other factors also such as access to capital. Long-term rating of many conglomerates is better compared to India rating. Thus, it can access capital at lower cost. Second, roaring animal spirits. These groups spend higher on capex from 26.07% in 2001 to 49.6% in 2024. Current capex outlay is INR 4.48 lakh crores. Third, diverse line of businesses. The total investable universe of the fund has 41 diversified industries. Fourth, strong governance. The governance score of these companies is higher in ESG score, indicating a better governance. And lastly, multi-generational. These groups have a strong legacy of existence over decades. They have witnessed various economic cycles and have emerged stronger and bigger today. Some following groups in the conglomerate universe are Tata, Mukesh Ambani, Adani, Rahul Bajaj, Aditya Birla, L&T Group, Om Prakash Jindal, Mahindra and Mahindra, etc. If we talk about the sector breakup, so 15.03% is in information technology, 14.55% in oil, gas and consumable fuels, 11.77% in financial services, 9.84% in automobile and auto components, 8.30% in metals and mining, 7.51% in power, and so on. Now coming to the fund details, their fund manager is Mr. Kunal Sargoi and Mr. Harish Krishnan. The minimum investment amount is ₹100, the entry load is nil, and the exit load for redemption or switch out of units on or before 90 days from the date of allotment, 0.50% of applicable NAV. For redemption or switch out of units after 90 days of the allotment, nil. Well, this was all about the Aditya Birla Sun Life Conglomerate Fund. We hope you liked this video. Thank you.